Are you using Duolingo to learn Japanese? If so, this is for you. Duolingo is a great starting point, especially for beginners. So what does Duolingo do well? Konnichiwa, I'm Mineko Arai, a professional Japanese teacher. If you want to speak confidently, click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we'll keep improving together. Here are 4 features that help build basic habits. 1. Listening and speaking. You repeat short phrases after a digital voice. 2. Grammar and vocabulary. You learn common words and basic grammar through guessing and repetition. 3. Text and translation. You learn with basic English translation and simple reading practice. 4. Gamification. Fun game-like features keep you motivated. If you've used Duolingo, great job! You built a routine and learned simple phrases. But what's missing? Duolingo is limited when it comes to a real conversation. It chooses what you say, like ordering sushi, even if you don't like sushi, and lacks grammatical explanation. You repeat set phrases but struggle to express your real thoughts. Voices are robotic and lessons lack cultural nuance. To go further, you need more than repetition. You need real communication practice. Why is Master Speaking Japanese different? Master Speaking Japanese is designed to help you speak confidently, naturally, and personally with the support of real native speakers. 1. Personalized speaking practice. You practice conversation based on your life. For example, ordering ramen, not sushi. And question and answer structure helps you think and respond naturally in real time. 2. Clear grammar and vocabulary. You'll understand grammar deeply with cultural context and nuance. And you'll speak using vocabulary that fits your real-world situation. 3. Real-life lesson videos. You'll see authentic gestures, tone, and everyday conversations. You'll learn how to behave politely like a Japanese native. 4. Human interaction. You learn from native speaker videos including me, and you'll get expert tips and feedback to study smarter, not harder. Ready to speak Japanese for real? Keep using Duolingo for fun? But if you're serious about connecting with Japanese people and expressing yourself naturally, try Master Speaking Japanese. Get started with 7 free lesson videos and join live support sessions with me. Please sign up from www.araiacademy.com. The link is in the description box below. Let's take your Japanese to the next level together. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.